Hello, welcome to T-Sport Bernau. It's the end of the summer break of the 2022 season. We've been really busy in the last 4 or 5 weeks. Race truck, we've got loads of new development parts on, race trailers ready to go, but as you can see, we have a brand new D38 TGX 640 horsepower tracked unit, which is going to replace the TGA for the second half of the season, so can't wait to get out on the road and tramp through Europe in it. As you can see, it's a MAN individual, which means it's the biggest spec truck that they do. Obviously biggest engine, biggest power, full leather, aircon seats, heated seats. It's going to be a massive difference from the 2002 TGA which we run at the minute. So we'll jump in and I'll show you around. So full leather, it's got all sat nav, screen, everything's LCD display. It's even got in the top cupboard a microwave and a coffee machine. I don't think we'll use the coffee machine because we're English and we don't drink a lot of coffee. And then the space in here compared to the old truck is unbelievable. It's got an actual fridge that works. So in the old truck we've only got like a cool box, so this fridge will actually keep our sandwiches cold when we're traveling. So can't wait to get on the road and yeah, tram on.